Hey guys, Ian here, Shed Media. Well, I missed them. God darn it. I have praised this vehicle twice actually now when they were in the process of doing it. And as it was finished for insurance purposes, the insurance company wanted it all done when it was finished. So Wayne and Debbie have this beautiful 55 Chevy truck, Chevy 1300, and they have built this truck together. It is a labor of love, and it is wonderful. This is the first car show they've been to, so I'm just gonna do just a quick today. I'm not opening nothing or touching nothing today. I missed them, darn it. So we'll do it tomorrow when they're here. But yeah, they already, it's so good. They got my Shed Media decals on. Yeah, it's just they're super supportive. Everybody who gets should have a magnet from me by now. If you don't have a magnet, let me know if I've done an appraisal for you. But so they have a beautiful, again, Easter display and such. But yeah, they did this all themselves. The seat, and I'll do this tomorrow when they're here, because again, I want them to be part of this. But this is they in their single car garage, piece by piece, did this car. Wayne painted it. Did all the polishing on it, did all the wet sanding on it all himself. Not a body man by trade, but this truck was super clean. They were telling me when they were putting the floor bed in it that the one was underneath holding or putting the nut on while the other one was holding the stud. It is just so cool because I just find it's not always that you have, it's not necessarily it could be a family build, but this husband and wife build. And again, the salt of the earth people, they're so nice. And I'm so pumped that they got it done in time for the Dragons. That was their main focus. And it's been all scrapbook. There is a photograph of everything happening on this truck from start to finish with descriptions. So if you get a chance to come down and see this, I don't know if I'll have this video out before the car show's done, that's on me, but this is so cool that they got it here. So we will see them tomorrow, but this is just a quick little preview. All right, bye for now. Hey everyone, Ian here at Shed Media, and I have to show you this truck now. I have some different videos happening of this truck. Through Shed Auto Appraisals, I got to meet Wayne and Debbie, and they are just awesome people. And they built this truck by themselves, basically. And it's a labor of love for them. And they won a trophy today that was picked by the 567 Club on this 55 Chevy. So I'm going to piece a couple videos together. So if it seems a little broken up, I apologize. But now that they're here, the hood's open, doors open, I want to do a full walk around. I mean, I've seen this truck a few times with the appraisals as they were building it, but I want everybody to see this. And I promised them I'd do it, and I know that I need to do it because these people are wonderful. So stay tuned. I'm going to flip this over and we'll get started. Alrighty, so 55 Chevy C1300. So two-wheel drive, 235 straight six. That, when we get into the car culture, this one is like the epitome of what, a passion build. We're going to call it a passion build, because Wayne and Debbie did this themselves. When I first met them, they were working on this truck in their garage, which they did the entirety of the truck in their garage, piece by piece, not in a rush, but doing it right. Everything's documented. Debbie scrapbooked the whole operation. They even got my stickers on it. I'm so jacked for them. And they won, and I told you they won the award. I'm going to see, I think the trophy, they might have the trophy with them, but I'm going to attach a picture. I took a picture with them and their trophy. Like, they are just elated.
One correction on my part. The seat was actually covered by Ray Harder. Ray's been a friend of mine forever and does amazing work, but all of the stuff leading up to it, that was Wayne and Debbie.
And it is so tastefully done. This is their first show with it. Yeah, so through Shed Auto Appraisals, I got to meet them, and I'm just so pumped for them. And this couldn't have turned out any better. It's just, yeah, I'm gonna label this one a labor of love for sure. They built it together. It's scrap, and I love it's Easter time, right? So all the bunny stuff, and they did the box, and the wood and the strips. Complimentary magnets with your appraisals. Yeah. When I think, well, the first time I seen it, yeah, the box was off. He was getting ready to paint the wheel wells and bumper, I believe. I mean, 55. When we're talking about 1955, GM, 55 anything, let's say Ford, Chevy, Dodge, whatever. And I'm gonna pick. Obviously, this is a Chevrolet. The cars and the trucks just had the look. You knew it was a Chevrolet coming down the road, or you knew that's what went past you, or whatever the case. The cars, trucks, the same. So, I mean, a 55, 6, 7 Chevy truck just has the aura of it because of what it is. Now, I can't remember. I'll have to look at the board. I don't remember how long Wayne and Debbie have had this. It's been a minute since they've had it.
Also, special shout out to Greg Gallant of GLG Welding and Trailer Service. He did the welding majority on the truck, and Wayne helped along, but Wayne did paint this truck.
So yeah, they said it was the most nerve-wracking drive bringing it here on Thursday for the show. Wayne's like, it was probably about 2 miles an hour, and said the truck wanted to go, but I didn't want to. The roads haven't been 100% great here. We have snow in between everything else. So it does have, I think it's original rear differential, all painted. Load leveling, shocks, yeah, everything they did themselves. They had the body off the frame, pour 15'd it all. Yeah, it's it's awesome. I'm so happy for them, and I know I've said it multiple times, but they're gonna remember this forever. Like, they literally, I mean, why wouldn't you? You put in all this time and effort. I don't think they've calculated how many hours they have into this restoration. And I don't know if unless you're paying a restoration company, you're probably not totally keeping track. You do it because you love it. I mean, it's your basic 55 Chevy truck, but so tastefully done. I mean, the new carpet. Yeah, how wicked is this? So let's go to the board. I want to see the board. I know Debbie made them. The first time I went there, they had the photo album. I went through the photo album with them that she has scrapbooked. So this is the history of Chevy. History of Chevy. Here's the board. Okay, so do they have, so 1990. So they've had it a minute. So sort of had all that done. And again, piece by piece. Oh, man. So, they've earned every compliment they have earned doing this truck. There you go. 95% of it was done by Wayne. Debbie was the organizing part of this. I love it. Powertrain and brakes, Wayne and Debbie. Bodywork exterior, Wayne. Fabrication, the wheels. Oh, the center caps. I'll show you those. Yeah, Wayne and Debbie. Yeah, this is what they did. Wayne and Debbie, Wayne and Debbie, Wayne and Debbie. This is just, I love it. I love it. So let me show you the wheels. Yeah, show you the wheels. Yeah. So they put those Chevy emblems. I forget where they got the emblems. Debbie told me what they did, and then they made the centers and they adhered them. Can't remember how they attached them, but nevertheless, wonderful truck, wonderful people. If you see this blue 55 Chevy with beauty on the license plate, make sure you go up to them. Give them a pat on the back or a handshake. Tell them good work. That was a husband and wife vision. Still married, still laughing, still smiling. Wonderful. Just love it. Just love it. And they got my sticker on. Cool. Okay. Happy Easter, everybody. The show is just about done. There was 180 first-time vehicles here at the Dragons. I do want to note that. Kudos to everybody. 262 vehicles, 180 new rides here, which is awesome. So, take care. Bye for now.